Welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your girl Krissy Cela here, and in today's YouTube video, it's a much needed and a long awaiting what I eat in a day. And it's time for
Cooking with Krissy.
I keep saying it, but one day I will get aprons with that on it, but I don't think I'll put my name on it because I think it's a little bit cringe. So I haven't been in the kitchen in a while. Life has been busy to say the least. However, I know you guys love these videos. You find such comfort and inspiration from anything that I make in terms of the recipes and in terms of the foods that I love. Where I'm at right now with my fitness routine and my fitness journey is I'm taking it easy. I have no aspiration to be smaller, to be bigger. I have no aspiration to grow a specific muscle. I simply want to live a lifestyle that is so sustainable and so much more focused on my mental health rather than just going to the gym to look a certain way and be a certain way. I love where my body is at right now. I love where my mind is shifting to when it comes to foods and wellness. And I honestly have never felt more comfortable in my own skin and also the way my body is changing and transitioning. So just find comfort in that. So if you're looking for a channel that really just makes you feel good about your journey, this is the channel for you. So give it a thumbs up and make sure that you follow and subscribe. So the first thing we're gonna make is breakfast. Breakfast is gonna be kept simple and easy. We're gonna do a nice high protein brekkie with eggs and also some turkey bacon, but we're gonna smash some avocado. Nothing crazy, but a good staple. Good fats, good proteins, really good carbs. So let's get cooking. I do love a fried egg. Fried eggs are great, aren't they? So the next thing we're gonna go into is a chicken pasta with a rich tomato and spinach sauce. So the pasta's already been cooked, so we're gonna make the actual sauce. So we're gonna start off with some olive oil. And then once the pan is heated, we're gonna add all the ingredients, so you're gonna follow along. taste test, taste test. Right, let's have a little butcher this, shall we? Little bite, right. How's the chicken? Sauce is good. That's good. Holy guac. This is good, man. The next thing we're gonna move on to is your mid-afternoon pick-me-up smoothie. That's what we're gonna call it. It's very simple, it's very delicious, and it's got all of the ingredients that you are gonna need. I'm not sure if you know, but you should have already known, but I recently launched my collagen beauty elixir with Pro Mix, which I'm super proud of. I'm proud of this for many reasons, because in the past I launched more performance-based supplements like pre-workout or protein powders, which I used at the time and I adored at the time. However, again, I've transitioned a lot. My health and wellness isn't what it used to be. It's a little bit more sustainable now. And the ingredients that I put into my body are way more mindful than what they were like before. So I'm much more conscious about what I'm actually putting into my body. So the decision to even join ProMix was a very easy one, because I know that the ingredients are something that I can read and I'm very comfortable putting into my body. Collagen is so important, especially because women lose it. We lose it quicker than men. It means that our hair, nails, skin deplete way quicker than men's do. It's like we didn't have it bad enough and now we have that as well. So collagen is such a great supplement for you to add into your daily routine. I cannot recommend it enough. And that's why the decision to make collagen elixir was a very easy one. So with this collagen elixir, you'll find the link in my bio, but you can use it in smoothies. And I also recommend using it in your day-to-day water. You can have it in the morning on an empty stomach, or you can sip it throughout the day. It's really up to you. So that's what I love about it. It's very versatile. Whereas with other supplements, you can't really do that. It's for a specific time of day, and I find that a little bit restrictive. So the smoothie is very, very simple and it's very nice. Milk of your choice. I just like regular full fat milk. Frozen cherries. Peanut butter for high fats. And then a spoonful of the elixir. I'm going to do the elixir first. You can add a bit more if you need to. Spoonful of peanut butter, healthy fats. And then banana. And honestly, don't even think about it too much. Just use your fingers and just whack it in there. It's going in the same place. The final meal that we're making today is fish tacos. I love tacos so much. Not the queen of them, but I like to make them pretty simple and pretty healthy. So we're gonna use some of the guacamole that we made earlier. So definitely make a big batch if you want. Add a bit of lime and keep it sealed in the fridge. The tighter the seal, the less likely that your avocados will go bad, just so you know. So we're gonna make a nice fresh mango, tomato, and parsley salsa. I don't use coriander, that's cilantro if you're in the States. And then we're gonna make a fish taco base. So that's gonna be our protein. So I opted for cod. You can opt for any type of white fish that you like. Even shrimp is really, really great. So we're gonna make the fish first, and then we're gonna make our fillings. So there you have it, a full day of what I eat in a day. Well, recipes are more loving, but I just hope that you find some sort of inspiration and that you don't restrict yourself from eating things that you love and things that you even find delicious in a menu when you go out. So you can make those things at home. You are capable of cooking. I hope I didn't make it too complex, and give any of these recipes a go and comment down below which one was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. I love you always and forever, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.